Ah, canvas, a fabric that speaks of adventures, of fresh air, and of endless possibilities. Whether it's a tent pitched under the stars or a boat gliding across serene waters, canvas is synonymous with outdoor escapades. But sometimes our beloved tents and boat tops attract an unwelcome guest: mold and mildew. These pesky fungi thrive in damp, dark environments, feeding on the natural fibers of the canvas. They can appear suddenly, especially after a rainy day or when the canvas is stored away while still damp. Mold and mildew leave behind unsightly stains and a musty odor that can be hard to ignore. The dark spots and patches can spread quickly if not addressed, making your once pristine canvas look neglected and worn out. But fret not. With a little effort and the right approach, you can banish mold and mildew, restoring your canvas to its former glory. Mold and mildew not only look bad, but can also be harmful. They can trigger allergies and respiratory problems for some people. Regular cleaning is a must for a healthy and enjoyable outdoor experience. Start by brushing off any loose mold spores with a soft brush. Then, use a mixture of water and mild detergent to scrub the affected areas gently. For stubborn stains, a solution of vinegar and water can work wonders. Remember, a clean canvas sparks joy. So let's embark on this journey to a sparkling, clean tent or boat top, allowing you to fully embrace the joy of the great outdoors. Proper maintenance not only extends the life of your canvas, but also ensures that every adventure is as fresh and enjoyable as the first. Let's tidy up and make every outdoor moment count. Before declaring war on mold and mildew, it's essential to gather the necessary supplies. Having the right tools at your disposal will not only make the task less daunting, but also ensure that you can tackle every nook and cranny effectively. Having everything at hand will make the cleaning process smoother and more efficient. Here's what you'll need to get started on your cleaning journey. First, gloves to protect your hands from harsh cleaning solutions and dirt. These will keep your skin safe and prevent any allergic reactions or irritations. A bucket is essential for mixing cleaning solutions and rinsing. It's versatile and can be used to carry water or hold your cleaning tools. A sponge or soft bristle brush is perfect for gentle scrubbing on delicate surfaces like canvas. They help remove grime without causing damage. A spray bottle allows for easy application of cleaning solutions. It ensures even distribution and helps you reach tight spots. Mild detergent is crucial, especially one free of harsh chemicals. It cleans effectively without damaging the material you're working on. White vinegar is a natural and effective mold and mildew killer. It's eco-friendly and safe to use around pets and children. Baking soda helps deodorize and lift stains. It's a gentle abrasive that can tackle tough spots without scratching surfaces. And finally, access to a water source is essential for rinsing. Whether it's a faucet or a hose, you'll need plenty of water to wash away the cleaning solutions and dirt. Gather your cleaning companions and let's tidy together. With your cleaning arsenal ready, you're all set to make your space sparkle and shine. Before applying any cleaning solution, it's crucial to prepare your canvas. This step removes loose dirt, debris, and allows the cleaning solution to penetrate effectively. First, choose a sunny spot because sunlight is a natural disinfectant and helps with drying. Next, spread out your canvas to ensure the entire surface is accessible. Then, sweep away loose dirt using a broom or brush to remove dust, leaves, and debris. Finally, shake out the canvas vigorously to dislodge any remaining loose particles. With a clean slate, we can now proceed to banish those pesky mold and mildew stains. Now it's time to choose your weapon against mold and mildew. The right cleaning solution can make all the difference in your battle against these pesky invaders. Several effective cleaning solutions can be used, each with its own benefits. It's important to understand what each solution offers so you can make an informed choice. First, a mild detergent solution. Mix a small amount of mild detergent with warm water. This is a great all-purpose cleaner that can tackle a variety of stains and is safe for most fabrics. This solution is gentle on the fabric while effectively removing dirt and grime. It's perfect for regular maintenance and keeping your fabrics looking fresh. Second, a vinegar solution. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. This is a powerful natural cleaner that can cut through tough stains and odors. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant and effectively kills mold and mildew. It's also great for deodorizing and leaving surfaces smelling fresh and clean. Third, a baking soda paste for stubborn stains. Make a paste of baking soda and water. This paste is abrasive enough to scrub away tough grime without damaging surfaces. Apply to the affected area and gently scrub with a brush. This method is particularly effective for areas that need a bit more elbow grease. Choose the solution that sparks joy in your cleaning journey. And let's move on to the scrubbing stage. Remember, the right tool can make cleaning not just a chore, but a satisfying experience. Section 5. Scrubbing away. The cleaning process. With your chosen cleaning solution and a soft bristled brush or sponge, it's time to tackle those mold and mildew stains. First, test on an inconspicuous area to ensure the cleaning solution doesn't cause discoloration. Next, apply the solution by spraying or applying it to the affected areas. Then, gently scrub using circular motions to loosen and remove the mold and mildew. After that, rinse thoroughly with plenty of water to remove all traces of the cleaning solution. If necessary, repeat the process for stubborn stains until the canvas is clean. Remember, gentle scrubbing is key. We want to remove the stains without damaging the fabric. Section 6. Drying is crucial. Air it out. Proper drying is as crucial as cleaning when it comes to banishing mold and mildew. Ensure your canvas dries completely to prevent their return. 1. Air dry in direct sunlight. Sunlight is a natural disinfectant and speeds up the drying process. 2. Ensure good ventilation. Allow air to circulate freely around the canvas. 3. Turn the canvas periodically. Dry all sides evenly to prevent moisture from getting trapped. 4. Allow ample drying time. Depending on weather conditions, drying may take several hours. A well-dried canvas is a happy canvas. Section 7. Prevention is better than cure. Keeping mold and mildew at bay. Once you've banished mold and mildew, it's essential to take steps to prevent their return. Here are some preventative measures. 1. Dry before storing. Ensure your canvas is completely dry before packing it away. 2. Store in a dry, well-ventilated area. Avoid storing in damp basements or garages. 3. Air out your canvas regularly. Even if stored properly, air out your canvas a few times a year. 4. Wipe away spills immediately. Don't allow moisture to sit on the canvas for long periods. By incorporating these practices, you can enjoy a clean and mold-free canvas for many adventures to come. Section 8. Share your wisdom. What worked for you? Every canvas, like every adventure, is unique. What cleaning methods spark joy for you? Share your experiences, tips, and tricks in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and create a community of sparkling clean canvases. Section 9. A clean canvas, a happy camper, or boater. A clean canvas is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's about preserving the longevity of your gear and ensuring a healthy and enjoyable outdoor experience. By following these cleaning and prevention tips, you can keep your canvas looking its best and focus on what truly matters, creating lasting memories in the great outdoors. Remember, a clean canvas sparks joy, and a joyful journey starts with a tidy tent or boat top. Now go forth and conquer those adventures with confidence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.